Introduction. The word hydroponics originated from Latin that merely means working water. In layman's terms, hydroponics is the art of growing crops without using soil. When we immediately think of the art of hydroponics, we imagine plants growing with the roots suspended in the water without having any medium. Well, this is true, as it is one form of hydroponics gardening, which has been referred to as nutrient film technique or NFT. Nutrient film tech has diverse variations to it that have been used around the world, which has become a prevalent method in growing hydroponically. Most people don't realize there are several methods and alternatives you could use in hydroponic gardening. Hydroponics is a concept or an art that has been around for years, but is becoming more popular than ever before. The math is more straightforward than you think. If you give a plant precisely what it needs at the right time in the exact amount it will need it, then nothing stops the plant from being healthy. And with the use of hydroponics, it is much easier, while in the soil the task might be a little tricky. In hydroponics, the plants are usually grown in an inert growing medium that has been perfectly balanced. There is a pH-balanced solution that is delivered to the roots of the plant in a soluble form. Thus, this allows your plant to take in the needed food with minimal effort, whereas in the soil option, the roots of the plants will need to search out the required nutrients and later extract them. I am sure growing medium is a term you have come across with questions in mind. A growing medium is a material that you will use for the roots of the plants to grow. It includes a wide range of varieties, such as rock wool, coconut fiber, sand, gravel, and vermiculite, just to name a few. The medium used is an inert substance that will not supply any form of nutrition to the plants, as the needed nutrition will come from the nutrient solution. The nutrient solution is a combination of water and fertilizer. As a result, this method of gardening is referred to as an art, as you can control everything that your plant will receive. Without proper information, some might find this type of gardening to be difficult, but it doesn't have to be. The method could be as simple as you grow a single plant in a nursery pot or bucket, while using any number of growing mediums, with no need for electricity or automation required to grow the plant. But you always have the option to apply technology in your garden. It is only limited by your imagination and, of course, your current budget.